Okay, let's get right into it. Go to your home directory and then press Ctrl H. Now scroll down. You're looking for a folder that is called config. You go to open config, and then you're looking for a file, Kdenlive layout src. You're going to move it to trash. After you move it to trash, everything should be okay. You can close the window, and then applications, sound and video, Kdenlive. Now Kdenlive is supposed to be stored to its original. Here it is. This is the original layout. This is the default layout. If you want it configured any other way, you're going to have to do that. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much for watching.